First five on the swing, Wonder Boy. Ball game. First position of Cebu. Steal by Ross. Now CJ for three. And out. Now the play by Louie. Steal again by Sison. The Michigan. Now it's the play by Louie. Rod coming lights. Nice defense on Sison. Bounding Busal pa. CJ. Now Wonder Boy. Ross. In and out. Rebound Pangaliban. Baseball pass. Lover Boy Louie. It's first pass yet on Cebu. 2-0. Now the bad boy Ross. Nice pass. It's black ball. Cebu ball. Cebu. Now Lover Boy. Guarded by Wonder Boy. Short. Now CJ. Usalpa all alone. Yes on Usalpa. 2-all. First net at the game. It's Cebu against Bismin. Lover Louie. Now the ball. It's traveling violation on the ball. Violation on the ball. Still our score 2-all. 8 minutes remaining time. 8 minutes. Now Wonder Boy. Looking for CJ. Guarded by Jeffrey. Back-to-back turnover on both teams. 2 minutes consumed. Now Lover Louie. Guarded by Wonder Boy. It's Duval. Same spot. Boko. Short again. Rebound on the machine gun Sison. Looking for the Wonder Boy. Now Bad Boy Ross is coming. Bad Boy now. Bad Boy Ross. Now for two. Lover Louie. Fake drive. Rebound on Pangaliban. Fake. Pangaliban again. Stay. Pangaliban. 10 seconds to shoot. Lover Louie. Jeffrey. Rebound on Busalpa. Now close to close. Oh, too strong by the bad boy. Busalpa. Short. Rebound on Buko. Now Lover Louie. It's Lover Louie time. Lover Louie. Oh, too strong. Pangaliban. Pangaliban. Hey, fake. Bang. Pangaliban. 4-2 for all. This is our third end of the game. Now Lover Louie. Bad Boy running now. It's black. Oh, defense on Cebu. Nice defense on Cebu. It's same ball. 10 seconds to shoot.
Nice to see you rin.
Oh, decision sa lalim. Ba't sa labas ng ano? Galing.
Tatampo ka sa akin. Kasi hindi kita binibigyan. Hindi kasi kita binibigyan.
Short. Lover Louie.
Kaya, dito, kaya.
Sabi mo ano.
Black by Busalpa. 5 minutes remaining time. Still our score 4-all. Inbounding Jeffrey. Buko. Now Pangaliban. Nice move. Top. Rebound again on the bad boy. Now Bad Boy Ross running and gunning. Bad Boy looking for CJ. Steal. Is last touch on the Bad Boy. 4-all our score. 4-all.
Kalma lang, kalma lang. Bawain mo doon. Pensa na. Pensa lang.
Now Lover Louie. Steal again on the Bad Boy. Bad ball, baseball pass. Looking for the Masikya season. CJ, Wonderboy. CJ now for 3. Too strong. Rebound on now Cebu ball. 4 minutes, 29 seconds. Still our score, 4-all. Now, Laberluy. Looking for Dubal for 3. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Dubal. Now 7-4. Bad boy Rojas, the bad boy Rojas now rebound. Oh, it's Cebu ball, Cebu.
Yan, timbang mo ba? Dalawa kayo nilingkip.
Now Laberluy. Astro Jeffrey now, guard by the Masikya season. Where are you? Short top. Rebound again on Jeffrey. It's Bismin ball, Bismin. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Now Wonderboy. Masikya season, yesterday. Looking for CJ. CJ now on the race. Short. Rebound on Cebu, Jeffrey. Now Laberluy again. Laberluy 1-on-1. Coast to coast. Laberluy. Oh, short. Ah, it's Laberluy. 9-4. Now 5-point din ang Cebu. Oh, short. Rebound on Pangaliban. Again, Busalpa. 9-6.
Oh, pasa. Bigay mo sa uno.
Now Cebu up by 3. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Now Louis. Too strong. Rebound on Wonderboy. Bad boy again. Bad boy driving sa bad boy foul. Foul on number 8. On the Laberluy, it's first. On the Laberluy, first team foul on Cebu. Two minutes and 29 seconds, first quarter. Inside the 0 out of 1 coming from the bad boy. It's 1 out of 1, 1 out of 2 coming from the bad boy. Now 9-7. It's a 2-point lead now on Cebu. Buko, third time around. Again, too strong. Rebound on Pangaliban. Pangaliban now, it's Pangaliban. What a great move by Pangaliban now, 11-7. Back to 4-point lead on Cebu. Busalpa. No hesitation back. Rebound again on Buko. Now Louis, Wonderboy Louis, Laberluy. It's 13 against 7. Warning on Jeffrey for delay in the game. Warning. 13-7 now 6-point lead on Cebu. Wonderboy.
Dipinsa.
Busalpa, guarded by Jeffrey. Busalpa escape, short top. Rebound on CJ. 14 seconds sa clock. Short again, the ball. Looking for Bugo. Now Laberluy. Running and gunning now. He'll set a play. Laberluy looking for Bugo. Fourth time around. Again, too strong by Bugo. It's 1 minute.
Balik.
Busalpa. Nice defense stop. CJ. Big. Foul on number 2.
Ball. Tutit.
18. Foul number 18. On Pangaliban. It's person Pangaliban. Now 13-8. 5-point lead now. It's a 2 out of 2 coming from CJ. 39. 45 seconds. Bugo for 3. Out pass, Pangaliban. It's offensive foul on Pangaliban. Second personal foul on Pangaliban. Third on Cebu.
Coach!
Nice defense.
20 seconds, 20. CJ Black is foul.
Wala na kayo rin.
Foul on number 45 on the ball. It's first on the ball. Warning for penalty on Cebu. It's 15 seconds.
Dong, layo kayo dong. Na-block na lang.
Okay, iwanan na lang. Iwanan niyo lahat.
10-13.
Kasamukan ka.
15 seconds.
Goya, kayo ano. Gilang.
As we shot, it's 3-5 control. 13-11.
Tayo maleta sila.
10. Black by Musalma. 5 seconds. Oh, what a shot coming from the bad boy. And of our first quarter, score 13-all. Second quarter ready, second quarter. It's Cebu ball, Cebu. Dalawa kayo ng dalawa. 14-13. So 1 point lead on Bisming.
Pero naman ako, mag-cheer naman ako.
Second quarter. Oh, Pikachu! Welcome, Pikachu! Robert Louie. Guarded by Pikachu. Jeffrey. Rebound again on Pikachu. Musal. 5-point lead now on 3-point lead now on Bisming.
Tres dong!
Isa lang dyan, boss. Isa lang.
Laverloy, top. Short. Buti na lang, si Sir Miguel, kung hindi yun, walang sapatos.
Dugo!
Sige lang, huwag kang magreklamo, sir.
Walang sapatos.
Short. Rebound on Team Captain. Now again, oh, it's now bad boy. Down na basikan si Song. Short. Rebound on Jeffrey. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Laverloy guarded by the captain. Now it's Cebu. Looking. Oh, bad boy now. 1-1. The bad boy pass to Pikachu. Turnover again on Bisbee. 8 minutes and 30. Laverloy guarded by Pikachu. Now Laverloy pump fake. Bang! Now 15 against 16. So 1 point lead on Bisbee. It's foul. Foul number 14 on Cebu. First team foul on Cebu.
Kaya yung mga player niyo ba? Ilang pupunta?
Oo, si Kapoy nandun pa sa ano, sa Takoy.
Sayang talaga.
Short. Now it's Loy. Drive Loy. Where are you, Pikachu? Short. The machine gun. Now it's the bad boy now. 3-2. Bad boy running. Still it's kickball. Kickball.
Talaga ako, all in one.
Now we call the bad boy Red Horse. Now Lamarui. Guarded by Pikachu. Jeffrey, back to Pikachu. New Lamarui. Now the Cebu hot shot. Malajos is foul. Foul on number 29 on the bad boy. It's first team foul on Cebu, second team foul on Cebu. Jeffrey, short top, it's Busalpa. Steal again on Panganiban. Now Pikachu, to Namasikan. Looking for the captain now. Where are you? Oh, it's good! Rebound on his own. Foul again on number 14. It's second team foul on Cebu. 6 minutes or remaining time, 6 minutes. It's 0-2, coming from the machine gun. Nice pass, nowhere to go. Now it's Laberloy pass. Nice defense on Pikachu, Kilichu. Panganiban, hey, drive. Rebound on Busalpa. Now it's the bad boy. Wow! Too strong on the bad boy. Matibag. Cebuano hot shot short. Rebound again on Busalpa. Busalpa. Discrimination pass. Pikachu. 3-second violation on the bad boy. 4 minutes remaining time. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Still 16 against 15. 1 point lead on Miss Me. Laberloy. Bang! Elbow jumper on Laberloy. It's 17-16. It's a 1 point win back to Cebu. Machine gun now, still again on Cebu. 3 on 3, 3 on 4. Now nice pass, Panganiban. Yes on Panganiban. Now 19 against 16. Back to 3-point lead on Cebu. Four minutes. Laberloy. Nice pass. The captain now, elbow jump. Bang! The captain. Middle. 18 against 19. Back to 1 point lead on Cebu. Still again. Now Laberloy now, escape. Laberloy looking for Panganiban. It's Bisming ball, Bisming. Again in and out. Rebound on Busalpa. Putar kayo dito, putar kayo. Pikachu! Captain Fidel! Too strong. Rebound again the bad boy. Now is Pikachu. 10 seconds to shoot. Machine gun now, Pete. The machine gun now is still on Malajos. It's Malajos time. Malajos stop up. Looking for Laberloy. 3 on 2. Jeffrey. Whoa, time out. On Bismin, it's 21 against 18. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Corner Sports, Basketballista, TUI, and the Inkers Abu Dhabi. And our official referee for tonight, Referee Apatan and Referee Donnie Mendez. And still we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Enjoy watching our live on Basketballista page. 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Our first game, first match for our inter-province category. It's Cebu versus Bismi. Pikachu. Busalpa. It's struggling violation on the bad boy Rojas. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Still 21-18. Now Louis. Right, escape, past Panganiban. Nice hesitation. Now Jeffrey, still by Busalpa. Looking for Pikachu. Pikachu, nice Pikachu. 20 against 21.
Atas kamay lang!
Black by the bad boy. Now Pikachu again. Pikachu is 3 on 4. Pikachu drive. Looking down. Still again on Cebu. Busalpa. Drive. Pass. Bad boy. Kick out pass to the captain. Short. Rebound on the machine gun. Yes, on the machine gun. It's time out. On Cebu, it's 21-22 to 1 point lead now on Bismi.
Baka pwede. Ay, ano na?
And we'd like to thank our sponsors and our boss there sitting down. Boss Raul. And our referee Kido is here in the house. 1 minute and 22. Louis Laberloy. Matibag. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Matibag. Oh, the machine gun now, running gun, it's now 24 all, 50 seconds.
Ikot kayo! Galaw, galaw!
40. Still on the captain. Bad boy now, the bad boy. 26-24. Now 2-point lead on Bismi, 30 seconds.
Galaw kayo! Galaw!
25. Nice play. Now receive one out, 10 to shoot. Rebound top, Captain Minel. Now it's the captain guarded by Jeffrey, looking for the bad boy. Bad boy running, bad boy running, it's running by the bad boy, 6 seconds.
Suro na yung kawiri!
Five. It's foul. All on Captain Minel, it's second team foul on Bismi, first on the captain. 3 seconds. And now for second quarter, 26 against the 24, our score. Bawas tayo, bawas. Bismin, Cebu. Bawas muna tayo, bawas. Bawas muna tayo, bawas. Asa rin kasi ito? Kaya wala sa Bacano. Harap sa mga. City good?
Sir, Philip.
Mga dato.
Sir, Philip, lagit ko rin mo. Philip, lagit ko rin mo.
Ay, hudda.
Sa lima ang kapanan mo.
Ay, hudda lagi. Wala pa, napadulong pa sila. Ha? Wala pa, napadulong pa sila. Nagkapagod. 24-26.
Sampo, dito.
Sibo. Transfer nyo? Video?
Pwede ba
So, sarak din.
Pwede ba BPI?
Pwede din. Metrobank. Bawas muna tayo, Sibo. Bawas muna tayo. Bawas. Ilan kayo? Kila?
Sam dito sa kami.
Oh, minus 5 kayo. Okay lang. Kuta. Melajos. Yan, oras tayo, sir. Sino? Nag-uusap na to si Kuan. Okay na. Ikaw talaga nag-usap na kayo. Anong pinag-usapan nyo? Ako, wala akong problema. Anong pinag-usapan nyo?
Wala problema maglaro. Basta class kami.
Kung sinabi mo may plus, so di yan nalaro. Kasi naglaro na yan kanina eh. Nag-okay ka eh. Wala. Kung hindi ka nag-okay, hindi yan laro kasi naglaro yan ang first game. Kayo nag-usap. Ako.
Gawin mo na lang ang rules na yan.
Semi. Ito ba?
Hindi naman pwede ganun.
Dali mo. Ako nga sir, wala akong problema kayo nag-usap. Yung sinabi mo may plus 5 tayo.
Suka, Milari. Ulipid na mo diya. Ulipid na mo? Ulipid na ni Dari? Ha? Piyoto. Sukli.
Yun, na-missing ning yata eh. Na-missing ning yata eh.
Sir, mauras na oras. Huwag tayo na oras. Sir, naka 4 games na kayo. Kahit yung entry fee nyo, pinanabawasan, sir. Naka 4 games na kayo. May balance pa kayo sa yung jersey nyo. Entry fee, sir. Kahit kuha ka lang tayo. Bawas lang tayo, bawas. Hindi mo na kinuha ninyo lahat eh, yung balance nyo eh. Bawas tayo. Lalaro lahat eh. Oras tayo, sir. 8:40 na tayo, sir. Sa totoo siya, ang binigay nyo, jersey lang. Sa entry fee, di pa yung nabawas ng jersey nyo. Hindi naman pwede ganon. Dapat
Taplan lang daw. Wala na kami. Wala ako. Nakuha na po no.
Ball game. It's Cebu ball, Cebu! Bismin ball, Bismin, third quarter, Bismin. Pasok. Third quarter. Now Pikachu. Atom bomb, air ball, rebound on Moneba. Now Moneba running, looking for Louis. It's Moneba's foul. Foul on number 16 on Panyosa. First on Panyosa, first team foul against Bismin. It's not an variation. Nice defense
Ilang,
on
ilang.
ng machine gun si
Daw
Son.
muna ba? Ilalim, labas ka daw muna ba?
Pikachu. Now, si Son, the machine gun. Panyosa. Top. The timeout on Cebu now 28 against the 24 sa 4-point lead on Bismi. Back to the ball game, back to the ball game.
Kaso wala shooter. Isa yung shooter.
Labaroy! Right, got it by Luana Boy. Still on its jump ball. It's Cebu ball, Cebu!
Yung ato kayo na. Kayo na, kayo na.
Abrenaga. Elbow jump, too strong. Rebound on Pikachu. Napanyosa. Atom bomb. Bang! Atom bomb. Escalante. 30 against the 24. Dubal. Hesitation. Airball. Pikachu agad rebound. Still on Laberloy. Laberloy, 4-on-1 to Pangaliban. Pangaliban now. Pangaliban. It's 26 to 32. 4-point lead on this team.
Daw, mga diba? Yan, taas ka daw. Yan, ikaw yung ano, flasher dyan. Okay, pass break sa'yo. Nice!
Still again on Laberloy. It's Moneva. Right up Lapu-Lapu.
Hala!
Oy! Hit!
Ay, palawin rin!
Sir, nawin?
It's clear in the moon. It's Bismin ball.
Bakit?
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Review ko yun.
Ika!
Pikachu, where are you? Now, Laberloy now. Round to Lapu-Lapu Pride. Moneva. Kick out pass. Pangaliban. Basket foul on one of Pangaliban is foul on Pikachu.
Daw, muna ba?
Second team foul on Bismi. First personal foul on number 12 on Pikachu. Kinichu.
Nice!
5 minutes. 30 to 29. Laberloy to the ball. In and out. It's Lapu-Lapu Pride. Foul. Foul on the Wonder Boy. Warning for penalty on Bismi first. And Wonder Boy substitution rep. Moneva. 10 seconds to shoot.
Patay ka.
Short top. The machine gun now. Still now Panyosa 2-2. Panyosa looking for the bad boy. Bang! The bad boy. 32 against the 29. The 3-point lead back to Bismi.
Sab din si ano kami na magkatapat siya.
Dubal. Moneva.
Alam
On time. Short. Moneva again. The Lapu-Lapu Pride. Moneva paid. No, it's still play. 10 seconds to shoot.
Shot! Bang!
Moneva again. Moneva plus defense on the bad boy. It's 4-on-2. Kinichu, Pikachu. Pikachu now. Side step. Atom bomb is too strong by Atom bomb. Panyosa. Panyosa again. Panyosa elbow jump. In and out by Panyosa again. Rebound top. Now it's the machine gun. Oh, the machine gun is on its 34 to 39. A 5-point lead on Bismi.
Ilan na yung season mo sin? Hangpang.
Dalawa.
Ano ba yung third?
Lapu-Lapu Pride, airball, top, bad boy. Now the bad boy, now it's 3-2, running, gunning, kick out pass to Panyosa. Time out. On Cebu, 36-29, now 5-point lead on Bisbee.
Dalawa na lang. Isa na lang tayo motor.
Nice one, nice one. Ganda ng ano nyo, basta may ikot kay bola. Find the open man lang. Open.
Three minutes and 23 seconds. Now, Mr. J.R. Buko now back to the ball game. He's 0 out 15 from the 3-point shot. Abrenaga is foul. Foul on Escalante. Natumbang is penalty, not penalty. First nice. Foul on Natumbang. First on Escalante.
Patakihin mo na nung pag ano, pinante lang lang. Nice, kuya.
First shot coming from Abrenaga.
Taki na, taki.
In and out, too strong, Cup, bad boy.
Tayo!
Pikachu. Man! Busalba! Alon, Mr. Abrenaga. 38-30. First personal foul on Aljur Abrenaga. Now 39-30, 1 minute and 50 seconds. 69-point lead of Bisbee. Robert Louis. Still again in Musalba. It's 3-2. Kinicho, Pikachu, top pass to Panyosa. Bang! Panyosa! 41 against the 30.
Bigyan nyo ng break para makadaan. Kaya mo dong. Di lang dong, relax lang.
Buko, Aljur, Jeffrey. Wow! Alam mo ba, Jeffrey coming from Aljur.
Tao! Doon sa kabila ka dong, kabila. Doon, Jeff, kabila lang, kabila.
1 minute and 20. 10 to shoot. Bad boy now. Oh, Musalba. 43 against the 32. It's 11-point lead now on Bisbee.
Okay, relax, focus.
Relax, relax.
Lapu-lapu Brad Moneva in and out. Rebound on Jeffries. Foul on number 12. Oh, Pikachu, it's penalty time. It's penalty. 51 seconds. We have 11-point lead coming from Bisbee. 43 against the 32.
O, siyam na lang.
Nice!
Now 43-33. It's 10-point lead on Bisbee.
Siyam na lang. Isa pa.
Kaya yan, kaya yan.
It's 2-2. Coming from Jeffrey. 43-34.
Tango.
41 seconds. It's 4-1.
Ay, focus na lang.
Bad boy. 10 to shoot. Black by Aljur. Short. Pangaliman. Stop by Bisbee. 22 seconds. 22.
Kaya yan, kaya yan.
15. Buko. Drive. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Nice defense on Bisbee. 8 seconds.
Is zero.
5. 2 seconds.
Dalawa, City do.
Foul on number 7 on Aljur.
Dalawa.
First team foul on Cebu. First team foul on Cebu. 2 free throw shot.
Patira siya eh, dyan sa perimeter.
Warning din, no? Lagi napapatagpikan.
2 seconds. 2.
Pangako sa nag-print throw. Ay,
44.
shooter, oh. Huli ka, tira! Ay,
And after third quarter, score 44-34. Fourth quarter ready.
Wala tayo sundot. Ano lang oh? Ano lang? Ano lang gani? Ano lang?
Cebu ball, Cebu.
Ano lang oh? Wala tayo sundot.
Ay, 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 chill!
Last quarter.
Sadaan na, ruwas ha.
It's Cebuano hot shot short up. It's Busalba.
Wala.
Looking to Masigan. It's the bad boy. Short. Bad boy again. Bad boy. Guarded by Laberluy. Still now on the hot shot. Jeffrey. Jeffrey God. It's foul. Foul on number 20 on the machine gun. He's on his third on the machine gun. First on Bismin.
Score!
34-44.
Score, ah! Score! Bang, bang! Ay,
Short.
isa pa!
Laberloy.
Good luck!
Bang! 36-44. Ang 8-point lead on Bismin. It's foul. Oh! It's basket count and 1 on the machine gun. He's on the small rep. Foul on number 4 on Malajos. It's first team foul on Cebu. First personal foul on Malajos.
Score ulit! Bang, bang! Isa pa!
Jeffrey, nice pass, steal. It's a machine gun. Bad boy, it's nice defense on yo! May sapatos ka na. Time out. On Cebu, it's 48-36, 12-point lead against Bismin.
dalawa yun na. Third quarter yun. Third quarter. Dalawa ganun sa third quarter. May time out sila ngayon. Wala na sila time out.
Start. Third quarter nyo, dalawa time out nyo. Third quarter, dalawa. Oh.
Dalawa. Bago pa lang sunod, may time out si Kwan.
Sige na.
Wala naman time out, ha?
Back to the ball game, 7 minutes and 24 seconds.
Sige, Ray, bilog ang bola!
The ball is square.
Dito, doon ang time out mo dong. Doon ako time out.
Laberluy. Jeffrey. Elbow jump. Short tap. Rebound ng Captain Medal. CJ. The captain. Pass to the bad boy. Bad boy elbow jump too strong. Rebound tap. Isa machine gun na the machine gun season. 50-36. Sa 14-point lead now on Bisbee.
Score tayo! Atake! Warning ha. Apat na yan.
All on number 95 on the captain middle. It's first on the captain. Second team foul is me. Substitution rep. Substitution. 6 minutes our remaining time. Last quarter, first game for our inter-province category. It's 1 out of 2 coming from Lapu-Lapu Pride, Munema 37 to 50, 30, 20 on this base. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, na-captain! At tayo may sa palos.
Enjoy the game!
Lover Louie!
Roy, bawi oh! Oh, kada! Set!
Rebound on Musalma. 5 minutes. Again, the captain again. Wala back-to-back shot foul of the captain. It's 55 to 37. Slowly sorted out. Bismin up by 18.
Habol ah! Ay!
Relax! Sige, relax, tiro! Tira, boss! Now, siya, si boss, patirahon. Siya, relax.
Top. It's Aljur. Still by Musalma. Now running, gunning. It's now it's Ratison. Atobam. It's 59 against 37. Substitution direct substitution.
Tama na ka, Pap. Puta ka na, Pap. Hey, may shooter kayo, ha? Hey, may shooter kayo.
4 minutes. Larry Louie. Kick out pass. Jeffrey. Oh. Jeffrey. 39-59. 20-point lead on Bisbee. Nice defense on Cebu.
Relax lang!
Pre, gamit kayo oras, pre.
Pressure!
Panganiban. Number Louie. Still again on Musalma. Defense on Lapu-Lapu Pride. It's Monava. Against the 59. Warning on technical foul for the late game on Cebu.
Pakalawa na yan.
'Warning ba siya sa first quarter?
59-41.
Pwede na yung warning and this referee kanina pa eh.
Pilo, malapit mo dito ang mananap ko. Stop ko, be. May position reset.
Technical foul on Cebu for the late game. And our next game for our UAAP category is FPU against UST. 60 against 41. Substitution, rep, substitution.
Stop may buwan sandal, kay kondisyon kami.
Busal pa out, Bukoy.
Kondisyon kay Kuba. Sige, relax. Kay kondisyon kay Kuba. Saan pa ba?
Steal by Jeffrey. He's still now, Laverloy. Laverloy! Bang! Bang, bang, bang!
Ano?
On the Laverloy! 60 to 44. 3 minutes! Foul.
Penalty.
Foul on number 20. It's second team foul on Cebu. Second personal foul on number 20 on Jeffrey.
Hindi mo sabat? Isa ba? Ang kondisyon kay Tapos, kinakasamaan?
10 seconds to shoot.
Hindi na kondisyon, basudlon pa.
Whoa! Namasigan si Song.
Patay ka.
Airball. Nice move!
Last talaga.
Now Pikachu! Rebound on Musalpa! 64-44. It's a 20-point lead now of this league. South Division rep, South Division. 2 minutes. 2 minutes is brought to you by Basketballista, Color Sports, TUI, and Lakers, Abu Dhabi. Still again ang namasigan si Son. It's the bad boy. Bad boy now. Bad boy. Ross. 66-44. Panganiban. Step on the line. Line is stepping. It's technical foul on Laverlouis. One minute and 30. Oh, the bad boy, Ross. One minute. 55 seconds.
Natira daw. Ayos to. Pungkol.
Panganiban, 45 seconds. $35 seconds, 35.
Uy, papasok ko pa to, wait lang.
30.
Kaya.
And our game, our score, 40 against 70 against 44. Bisbee.